Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a full face of Temu makeup. I'm going to be using a couple of new products, one of them being the TLM setting spray. We have a putty blush from She Loves. We have a loose blush powder. We have a new foundation. We have an eyeshadow palette here. So we are going to be using a lot of new products in today's video, so if you want to keep watching, go ahead. And I also do have a Temu playlist linked down below if you want to catch up on my past ones. And let's just get into it. Let's get into this look, how I created it, my thoughts, what I loved, what I hated. If you want to see what those products are, just keep on watching. Alright, so first we're going to go ahead and take the Skin Ever Lip Volumizer. I'm just going to take a little bit of this on my lips because again, I am still fighting with my little friend here. So he's on his way out, so it's okay, but I just need a little bit of hydration on my lips. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take my favorite Classy Ultra Fine Triangle Eyebrow Pencil. This one here is in the shade 03 and it's so good. I love this. And I'm just going to start filling out the brows with this on its own. It's just such a good color for my hair. Alright, so next I'm going to go ahead and clean up the brows using the concealer from the website. I honestly don't remember. Oh, I think this one here is from Beauty Glazed and looks like so. This is such a pretty component. This one here is in the shade Natural 404. This is a little light, I think. Let's try it. I think it's okay. And if you are new on my channel, I do have a whole Temu playlist, which is linked down below. I have haul videos on there, ranking videos, as well as these full faces. So if you want to watch the haul for this video specifically, it's going to be linked down below in that playlist. Just blending it out with my sponge. Alright, so next we're going to go ahead and do eyeshadow. So if you guys watched my haul video, I went ahead and picked up two Vogue eyeshadow palettes. So this one here specifically is the one that came broken, but I am going to attempt to use it today just to do a cute little like light feathery kind of pink look. And yeah, if you didn't see it, it looks like so. They actually still have this palette available, and the only thing that they changed was the word in the back. So now it just says beauty on it instead of Vogue, but I think this is stunning. And I bought it specifically as a like decoration piece for my room. So yeah, it's so cute, but I did want to use it at least once. And it says it's 72 fashion eyeshadow and face palette. So it does come with the face shades in here as well, but some of them are broken. Let me show you guys what this looks like because it's a little messy. So I'm not going to be holding it up a lot, but this is the section we're going to stick to the most. Those shades over here. But as you can see, we have like one broken shadow on this side. We have a few broken shades on like the face shades, a few broken shadows in the last part. But again, we are going to stick, well, actually we have some pinks in here as well. So I'm just going to be like bopping around the palette, searching for like the perfect pink shades. Actually, now that I'm looking at it, we might start off with the light pinks in here. All right, so like I said, I am going to go ahead and take the two light pink shades. Let's see how these shadows work. I'm just going to start creating a transition vibe. Now I'm taking a burgundy kind of moment. What is with this hair right here? And I'm just going to take it on the outer portion of the eye just to deepen it out just a little bit. Oh man, these shimmers are actually not giving. Look at that. Okay, with the fingers a little more pigmented, but as you can see, it's not even like shimmer. It's just like, I don't know. I don't know what it is, but it's not shimmering at all. Actually dipping into a darker pink, and I'm just going to throw it out here. All right, so that's what we have going on right now. It looks really nice, really airy and pink, which is what I wanted to go for. I didn't want to go for anything too crazy, too pigmented or anything, and it goes perfectly with my brat shirt that I just purchased from Temu as well, which I am going to film another Temu haul after this. So it's actually sitting right over there. And I did order this t-shirt along with that order, so you guys will be seeing that soon. Next, I'm going to take my Romantic Beauty Flawless Eyeliner. Such a stunning component. I don't know why I brought two mascaras, but this one actually I've been using so much already, which is the PT3 Sky High Mascara. You guys have seen this in action if you follow me on Instagram, or even here on YouTube. I've been doing a bunch of reels for work, so I've literally been using this so much. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you the wand of this product, and it's actually a favorite. I really much enjoy this mascara. So we're not going to use it today because I do have a new one that I've been wanting to use, which is this one from YABAOLIAN, and this is their 5D Lash Extra Dimension Mascara, and this is also called Sky High. As you can see, this is way more of a packaging dupe to the drugstore mascara that's like gone viral, whatever. So yeah, haven't gotten a chance to try the actual mascara, but I saw this online, so I thought, why not? Let's try it out. Let's look at the wand. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw some of this on. So far it's actually doing something. I'm not gonna throw on too much because I'm gonna throw some falsies on, but just enough to coat the lashes. All right, so I am gonna go ahead and throw on some of my ABH and Ravina lashes. These are so good in the style Egalanza. These were $5.99 at Marshall, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw these on because I am going to work, so I do need something a little more wearable in the lash department. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on. We're gonna get back and we're gonna try out a bunch of other new Temu makeup product, guys. So those are the lashes. They look so good. So as you guys know, I do have two of my favorite primers from the Temu website. The first one is their Major Digit Caviar Primer, which, as you can see, I've been using quite a bit on my Instagram and here on YouTube, as well as the O.TWO.O Pore, what is this called, Zero Pores Sniper Makeup Primer. This is so good as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this, which is way more hydrating, all over the face, and then we're gonna go with the other one in like the inner portions of the face. Yeah, this one's so nice and hydrating. Then taking the Sniper Pore Minimizer in the inner portions. So these are actually the only two primers that I purchased from Temu, I believe. So if you have any suggestions, if you tried any other primers that you enjoy, let me know in the comments so I can try it out. So far I have two other orders coming to me. I may have another primer in there, but honestly I doubt it. I'm just a little more picky when it comes to primers. But yeah, let me know if you have any favorites from Temu in your makeup collection so I can try it out. So for actual foundation, we have two different products. You guys have seen this so much on my channel. PT3 Full Coverage Skin, what is this called? Skin Long Wear Matte Finish Foundation. And this one here is in the shade 2N, which actually matches me pretty well. It's just a tad light, but I can make it work. And then we also have the YABAOLIAN Peach Perfect BB Cream Liquid Foundation Fluid Makeup, which is this one. What's wrong with this one? Oh, this one's just a little too lightweight for me, so I don't want to have it on my skin like by itself, so I'm going to mix the two. And this one I have it in the shade 03. This one here comes with a pump and a legit ColourPop dupe. I know they have a foundation that kind of looks like this. And then this one is an alleged Too Faced Peach Perfect dupe. So I'm going to take the PT3 first. And then a little bit, well, a lot of the Peach Perfect. And let's see how this blends into the skin. Alright, so there is both foundations on the face. I think they look so good together, but again, I'm looking a little light. We have a couple of cream products to play with. LAKERAIN products. We have a contour and a highlight. And then we also have this product which I want to try out, which is from She Loves. This is their Putty Blush in 04. Comes with a little sponge. And we also have this. So this is from Sene, and this is their Cheek Heat liquid blush in the shade, I believe this is shade pink, but it's like more on the red side. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the contour shade and I'm gonna start throwing that on the face. It's just a little light and I'm gonna kind of pack it on. So I kind of want to try on a little bit of the She Loves one first. Again, it comes with a sponge, looks like that. And here's the, oh, there is the Putty Blush in 04. Take it on the sponge. Actually, on the sponge, it looks way more pigmented. Let's see how. As suspected, it's leaving a little bit of a sheen, but I think most of it is on the sponge. I don't know if you guys could tell a difference. I think you could see a little bit of a sheen vibe. It's not doing anything for me, girl. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take this one here, which again is the Cheek Heat. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3 little baby dots. Oh, this is pretty. Way more pigmented than our putty blush. Oh, even that was a little too much. But I could still blend it in with my sponge. But look at the pigmentation from just those little baby dots. That's crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and tone that down just a little bit. And also taking the LAKERAIN highlighter. A nice kind of natural glow to the skin, as you can see. It's really pretty. All right, next for concealer, we're gonna go ahead and take the Beauty Glazed Concealer in the shade 404 Natural, which is what I used to carve out the brows and set the lids, or prime the lids earlier. So I'm just gonna use this as a normal concealer now. Well, look at how bright my under eyes look now. This is actually a really good color for me. I really like this. So we do have a pressed powder. This one here is from Giacomo Natural Color Matte Pressed Powder. And this one here, I think it's just in natural. So these are the only two powders that I purchased from the site. This one here is from Hanru Loose Powder, and it looks like so. It's a little dark for me. This one here is in number 2, but I'm gonna go ahead and use it on the outer portions, and then this one here in the inner portions of the face. I would use a little puff, but they're kind of far away from me, so we're just gonna go old school and use my handy dandy sponge to set the under eyes and the T-zone area. There's a look at the loose powder. All right, so I went ahead and filled in the brows just a little more, just to deepen them up. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Putty Air, the brow glue. I don't know why I was gonna say the lash glue. The brow glue, which looks like so. And I'm gonna set the brows. Next, we're gonna go into the face product. So this is a Made Cheer Shading Bronzer. This one here is in, honestly I don't know what shade this is, but I love this packaging. Looks like so. So I'm just gonna mix these shades together and start bronzing up the face. All right, so we do have a new blush to play with. This is from AGAG, and this is basically a like the same kind of powder as this one here, the one that we use all over the face, but this is a loose blush. And this one here is in the shade O.TWO.O. They also had a pinky one, but it was sold out, and at this moment this one is sold out as well. But a lot of the products go out of stock, they come back in stock, they go out of stock, you know, so throw it in your wish list if you can, and then when it is out of stock, it's going to be in your cart when it comes back. So yeah, this one here again is the more like orangey one, and I love this color because it's such a nice like neon kind of orange shade. It's perfect. It looks like so. Just going to take a little bit and start blending that in. Lastly, for the face, I'm going to take the Sweet Mint Natural Stereoscopic Conditioner Highlighter. It looks like so. Some on the cheeks. I'm going to go ahead and take the O.TWO.O Studio Gel Liner in Seize a Day. And this is one of their gel liners. I'm going to go ahead and use that under the lower lash line. See, this liner is like drying up. Girl. What? I'm gonna go ahead and take the INE Cosmetics liner instead. Yeah, this one's showing up. So I'm just gonna take the pink and just smoke it on the lower lashes. I'm gonna take one of my She Glam lip liners. Honestly, don't know what color this is. It doesn't say on the component, but this is part of their So Lippy lip set. All right, next I'm gonna go ahead and take one of the liquid lipsticks from that Barbie set that I talked about in my haul video. This one here is in the shade 04. Throwing on just a little bit of gloss, I'm gonna take this one here in 04, which I did unbox with you guys in my haul video. This is like a lip gloss slash plumper. So if you're like sensitive to lip products and feeling that menthol minty kind of sensation on your lips, I don't know, this one's a little strong to be honest, but look at how beautiful it's making the lips look, very nice and full. So I'm gonna keep it on, but yeah, I could taste it as well. And lastly, we're going to take the TLM Lock It setting spray and we're going to set everything down. Guys, so this is the final look. Let me know down below your thoughts on how everything worked on the face. I'm going to let you guys know some speed reviews on the products that I used today. Some of these I've been using throughout the week for work and stuff. Others this is actually first impressions. Starting off with those products, actually, let's start off with the putty blush situation. Honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of this. I don't like it. Kind of regret purchasing it, to be honest. This one here I've never used before, the lip gloss. I think it's nice. It looks really beautiful on the lips. It's giving me that nice glassy kind of look, but I am feeling like a cooling sensation. It doesn't feel horrible, but yeah, it's cute. You know, I'm still gonna keep trying it, but so far I'm like, don't know how I'm feeling about it, but I love the packaging. To be honest, I completely forgot that this actually like shoots and sprays at you. Instead of giving you a nice little mist on the face, this actually like attacks you. So yeah, this one's one that I had to hold very far away from my face, and also it does have like a cologne kind of scent to it. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but yeah, completely forgot about that. First time using this Sky High mascara, was actually pretty good. I'm not gonna like scream from the rooftops about it. It's not that amazing, but it's okay. Now, the other stuff that I've been using, for example, the Cheek Heat. This is actually really good. I really enjoy that. This one here is very nice as well. I really love the cheek products that I used in today's video. The Poudiere, I'm going to talk about this more in my ranking, my Temu purchases video, but this one's like kind of like a meh for me right now. Beauty Glazed Concealer is actually really nice. I really have been enjoying this one, and I think this is such a good color for me. And then the Peach Perfect situation. This is cute. Again, I haven't tried it on its own, so I can't really like talk about it too much, but mixed in with the Poudiere, really good. And lastly, the eyeshadow palette. Again, I just got it for aesthetic reasons for my room, but I thought this was really cute, and I really love the look that we created today. So those are all the products, the new products that I've used on my channel, but the other ones I've actually been using so much, so I didn't want to talk about those repetitively. But I do ranking my Temu purchases videos. I'm going to do a part 3 or 4, I believe, coming soon. But yeah, everything is in the Temu playlist, which is always linked down below. And again, catch up on my haul videos so you guys can catch up on my journey with this website. I've actually really been enjoying their products, and I have a lot of dupable kind of products for like high-end products. Even drugstore products are being duped on Temu, which is really exciting. And again, I do have 2 other orders coming to me now. Let me know if you like the look that I created. Do you guys have any thoughts, comments, any suggestions from the website of your own? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like before you leave, and also subscribe to my channel so you can stick around and come with me on this journey, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.